Amazon, what's going on? I am here shouting out the iRobot. We got the Roomba J7 Plus right here. And y'all, I started unboxing this and I was like, you know what? This is just way too cool not to show you guys the unboxing process. So y'all, this thing is super duper nice. We are so excited. I know my wife is definitely excited because this means that we don't have to vacuum all the time. And this has a mop on it as well. So we are super excited. As you guys can see, we got a lot of stuff going on here, but I wanted to show you guys everything that this thing comes with. So we're kind of doing this process together at the same time. So what's super nice about this is that you've got very simple directions. So we've got all the accessories over here. We've got these extra mop pads. We've got obviously power. This is for your vacuum, so you already have one that you can change out after it's emptied and all full. And obviously it's got a massive user manual. What's really awesome about this though, and why I'm super excited, is because on the back it even shows, well maybe I saw another one, but it shows how you can set up on an app. So what's really awesome about this is my wife is expecting our first little one, and so we are able to, oh, here it is. We are able to, with this Roomba, we're able to do it all on an app. So program it to where it'll vacuum, mop, and it's gonna take a whole diagnostic of our entire apartment, map it all out, and then it's gonna be cleaning for us so that my wife doesn't have to, I don't have to, we can take care of each other, especially when baby comes, right? That's gonna be a really important time for us to make sure that the house is really clean. And this, y'all, we are so excited about this. So obviously this is a first shot of me. I will be doing, once I have this all set up, which will probably be today, we're probably gonna set it up. And then I will do a video demonstration of what it looks like, how it turns on, how it moves, how you add the water and different things like that. You know, empty it out for the mopping, because this is really awesome. It has mopping and vacuum all in one, which is just absolute. I mean, that's just like a life changer, especially for our apartment. You can see we've got flooring and then we've got carpet right there. So we've got all different types of options. Obviously both the bedrooms have carpet as well. So we have a lot of different surfaces that need specific attention. So I'm really excited for this because, like I said, it's got mopping and vacuum. So anyways, I hope this video was helpful for you guys just to see everything that it comes with. Y'all, this thing was packed like super organized as well, so like it's not going to be damaged at all. I honestly actually accidentally dropped this thing a little bit and it was totally fine. Everything looks normal because this thing is so over packaged. It's like locked in tight. Like it was hard to get this thing out of, which means that they do a really good job of keeping the packaging all together. So anyways, hope this video is helpful. I would definitely recommend adding this to your cart. I'm already so excited about this thing and we haven't even turned it on yet. So like I said, I will be doing another video soon, but hopefully this video is helpful for you guys and have a great day with your Amazon.